Hello and welcome to a new video on my channel. This video is a tutorial that should make sure to show you how to make hybrids on Gran Turismo 2. First of all, my English isn't the best and yeah. So let's start. First of all, in this tutorial, you should have maximum the version 1.9.25 of EPSXE, because the plugin that we will use that make it much easier to paste cheats in the game will work maximum with this version, because with later versions it will not work. So yeah. Good. First of all, first step, I will show you how to install this, cause some guys can be pretty funny in the comment section. So yeah. Next. And then you should select the folder where the EPSXE plugins folder is. For me it is one moment please. I have much things. And then plugins. EPSXE is this. This is EPSX, and this is the plugins folder. Choose it, and next. Create a desktop icon, and yeah, leave the marks. So yeah, next, and then install. I don't press install because I have it already, so I can close it already. Good. Leave me alone, Windows 10. Good. And now you will think, how I can make hybrids now? Just follow my steps. Run ISO. I will show it for the 1.2 NTSC version, so I don't know the other codes because the NTSC codes are pretty easy to find and the other ones not so easy. So yeah. Start the game. Maybe not in full screen. Make it a bit less noise, less loud. I'm pretty basic in English, so yeah. Good. Start game, completely normal, and we have to buy a new car from any car dealership you want, but really a pretty new car, that's the best, because already tuned cars are pretty buggy with hybriding and that's not so cool. Good. Yeah, I'm choosing Nissan. And yeah, good. I have an idea. Primera wagon, and make sure that you don't mix NA or turbo setups with the other one. So don't mix turbo cars with natural aspirated, and don't mix natural aspirated with turbo, cause that sounds like an UFO and that's annoying. Good. Bye. Yes, yes, okay. And how we can make sure that it isn't a turbo, or is a turbo. When it is a normal car, you can tune it normally. This could be a normally aspirated engine. The best thing you can look at it is turbo tuning or NA tune-up. This is natural aspirated, okay? So we have to swap in an engine when we want to swap to engine that is naturally aspirated. Good. And yeah, I think that I do for every single hybrid car is full racing transmission, and the clutch and flywheel, cause rev shifts could be not that bad. So yeah, but some cars can't fit drive shift, so yeah, good. And tires aren't that bad too, cause grip and that thing. Good. So yeah, and select the car that you want to hybrid. Press start on your controller or wherever you bind the start key, and the car is on the first place because we are hybriding only the car on the first place in the garage. So yeah, and now we have to press Ctrl and C, and then this window comes up. Annoying. Yeah, that's a bit annoying with EP6E, but yeah, that's normal. But the good thing is you can easily put cheats in. Good. First we should swap the engine. You should look which version of the game you have. So I have NTSC 1.2. You could have Japanese, PAL or whatever. But I have NTSC 1.2, so I'm choosing 1.2. Good. Copy. Paste, and here's the parts list. I will link you every link that you need in the description, so there should be no problems. And yeah, so we can choose any car, but when you don't want an UFO sound, then choose an engine that is naturally aspirated. Good. So we can choose. Wait a minute. There is nothing special. No. Yeah, I think the Chevy Corvette can fit, and Chevy Corvette engine can fit in the car without to have an UFO sound. So yeah. Yeah, there's no turbo stage. Yeah, look if it has turbo stages, and when it's a normal car and doesn't have turbo stage tuning, then it should be normally a naturally aspirated car. But when it's a racing car, then it could be still a turbo engine, so be aware of that. Good. And naturally aspirated, of course, too, that you should look for. So yeah. Good. Naturally aspirated Chevys, that's good, that's pretty good. So we are choosing the wet ZR1. You can copy that or just type in yourself. I'm copying that because I'm pretty foul. Good. Activate. And again full screen, yeah. Good. And now let's look. We swapped the engine. That's good. That's pretty good. And now we will swap the drivetrain. So we can all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or whatever. Good. There are no limitations, what I know, so you can choose theoretically any drivetrain from any car. Again, part code. Yeah, good. And we should look for it. For all-wheel drive, I'm choosing normally an Escudo. Escudo Pikes Peak 0263. 0263. Activate. And again full screen. Yeah. Nice. Good. And we have all-wheel drive. Good. And next thing that we are going to do is to swap the weight of the car with another weight of another car. There are no limitations, so yeah. Base weight code, copy, paste, and again part code. And yeah, I'm choosing Atomic Kyra eventually. Or not, I'm looking. First we should look first. Yeah, Elise. That's a pretty light car. So yeah. But it's not the best idea. We should look more for a car that weighs at 1 tons, around 1000 kilos. So yeah. I don't know really the weight of the cars, so yeah. You know what? I'm choosing Elise. You can choose everything you want. It's just for the tutorial to show it to you. And we have swapped the weight. That's nice, huh? Good. And when you want to have it without cheats, when you have finished your build, you can go in the menu, just save it. Maybe not in full screen. I don't know if Action does record in the full screen emulator when I'm recording already the monitor. Save game. And slot 1, yes. Removing the frame limit. At least for me. Good. Exit. And then delete all codes. And one thing too, there are game shark codes on this site. You can find the things that you search pretty easy on the site, so I'm linking only these two sites. The game shark codes is just for you. If you want it, then search it on this site. Good. Any car, any track. That's a pretty nice code to test the hybrid car. Activate. Good. Start game. Good. Just waiting. Go race. Special events. And yeah, you can race theoretically on any race with that car, with that code, with that game shark code. So yeah, just to show it to you that it works. One thing. It can freeze when you try to set up the car. So you should make sure that you are going to drivetrain, gears, full customization, and then it shouldn't freeze, and it doesn't freeze here. Good. Just fast setup for me. And then exit race, because it can be very buggy with hybrid cars when you race directly after setup. So yeah, but when you are in this menu, go to go, and so it means start, and start the event, then to start race, the transmission you want. And yeah, that's a hybrid car. I hope you liked this tutorial, and yeah, I hope you will have pretty much fun with this hybrid making. And see you soon, guys.